Hi, welcome to our Honest Conversations in Tech series. I'm TJ Bramblett, Director of Marketing here at Tim Pearls. I'm with our CTO, Guzunfer Gori, and we're talking about technical debt today. So Guzunfer, thank you for being here. Maybe you could start by telling us, what is technical debt?
Absolutely. So in today's world, businesses are often putting a lot of demand on software engineering teams and development teams to produce results faster and faster. In that process, a lot of times the full proper process not necessarily followed, and shortcuts are taken. And at some point in time, you have to pay that back. You have to go back and fix things. That, in a nutshell, is technical debt.
Okay, so that's what it is. Talk to us about why we should care about it.
So businesses should absolutely care about technical debt. There's several different things that can affect delivering business value, right? Speed and nimbleness, being able to react to market demand, changing user base is one. Total cost of ownership is another. If you're taking too long to do releases because the software is not built correctly, that's going to slow you down as well, right? And security is another big piece of it, making sure that you are building things in a manner that is secure. In today's world, things tend to get overlooked. Security especially tends to get overlooked. And it's important to make sure that you're paying that debt off to reduce your risk footprint.
Okay, great. So talk to us a little bit more about what those things are.
So
how do we go about fixing it?
So no, absolutely. I mean, so I think all organizations, number one, take on technical debt and should take on technical debt. There's a balance. From a business standpoint, that demand is going to continue. Their competition is going to continue. Users are going to change. And so taking on technical debt is perfectly fine. At some point, you start paying that off. And the manner in which you pay that off and the priority in which you pay that off is important as well, because you always have some. I would start with things that slow down delivery. Anything that slows the ability for a software development team to deliver business value, that should be addressed first. Okay. The second thing that should be addressed is security. Anything that increases your security risk footprint or anything you can do to reduce that is super important. Now, in some cases, some organizations might prioritize that as number one, especially if they have sensitive data or they're a financial institution. And the third thing is anything that will reduce your total cost of ownership. Right? So maintainable code, having serverless computing, any of those components that will allow you to do things more efficiently, I would definitely take a look at that as well. Cool.
Okay, so three things then. So Guzunfer, thank you for sharing your insights and your time with us. If you want to check us out, you can go to timpearls.com, where we have some more videos you can watch as well. So Guzunfer, thanks.
Great.